What's up, everyone? My name is Bob from shutthemusic.com, and today I wanted to show you a few things with Soundtrap, especially with the EDU admin side. I wanted to show you the most effective way to add students to your EDU plan, and then I wanted to show two different ways to share assignments. The first way is where students are working on their own assignment. They're creating their own instance of the assignment, and those assignments are automatically populated in a folder. And the second way is where students are collaborating on the same assignment with one click. All right, so the best way to start adding students to your Soundtrap EDU account is to start by creating some groups. So click on My Groups, and you are going to create a group. I'm going to create Guitar Class A. Let's say you have more than one section of guitar. You want to make sure they're all in just their group. So go to create all of your classes first. Then go to EDU Admin, and you are going to click on Import Users. Find the group that you want. We have Guitar Class A right there. All right, so now here is your link. I am going to copy this link. Boop, 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 boop. Copy my link over. I have the link. It is copied. Okay, now this is a little hack if you're using Google Chrome, and if you ever want to try something where you're going to a different account and you're already logged in, you don't want to have to log out, you can just create a new incognito window. And now I'm going to paste that in. And this is just to see if it works. This is what students are going to see. This is my school. I have students start from scratch. No, I'm new here. And then you have them sign up by going through the easy Soundtrap sign up process, and they have been enrolled in your EDU account, but they're also in the correct group. Less work for you. It's all about creating less work for you. All right, so now let's look at two different ways to share assignments. The first way is, I think, the way that a lot of people are going to use Soundtrap is where you want a student to get their own copy of an assignment, and you want it to be easy to organize on your part. You don't want to have to worry about like dragging and creating folders and all this stuff. That's a pain. So first thing is you need to create a template. So enter the studio. You can make a really elaborate template. You can, put in a backing track. You can add in a bunch of different stuff. But all you really need is a track. So I'm going to add in a track. I'm going to change this to dry. I don't like all the reverb that's on the default audio thing here. And then you have to give it a name. So let's name this Demo Project. All right, so Demo Project. Once you have at least one track in Demo Project, click Save. And then go back to your home screen. And you're going to see that project there. All right, so here's my Demo Project. Now, if you click on the three buttons and you click on Create Assignment, it is going to give you this screen, and then you're going to click Share Assignment. And depending on what LMS you use, I just use the share link, and I just copy the URL into my LMS. So you click that, copy the link, and now you're sharing that link to your students. Every time they click the link, what happens is you're going to get a folder with your assignment. So there's my Demo Project. Anytime a student clicks on the link, it's going to create a new project in that folder. You don't need to organize it. It's automatically organized for you, and it automatically puts their name in there, so they don't have to worry about naming their project anything fancy. It's all there. It's ready to go. So that's if you want the student to have their own project. But what if you want students to collaborate on a project together? Maybe you're doing a virtual ensemble and you want different members in one section. Maybe it's your clarinet section. Maybe you want all the clarinets to be on one project, and then maybe later you'll have each of those sections mix down their audio, and then you can just mix the different sections. It just, again, makes it easier for you. So here's how to do that. So start again with a project. Let's go back to our Demo Project, and you have to do this from the studio view. So you click on File, Share Project, Share via Link. You could bring this into any LMS as long as students are inside of your, your EDU platform. When they click on that, they're all going to go to the same project. They can see each other in the collaboration window here. They can talk to each other. They could do a video call. What I recommend students doing is to name their own track, make sure they're saving often, and then they press sync if they want to. If they're working at the same time with another student, then they can see each other's parts. So that's an easy way to share projects where students are on the same project. Now, words of wisdom coming from somebody who's done this. Don't collaborate on a project with a teacher that's in another walled garden. So what happened to me, I'm in my school's walled garden. I work at Oak Lawn Community High School. I collaborated on somebody else's project that was in a different school, and something strange happened, and it made me a teacher inside of that school. So just be really careful. If you're collaborating with another teacher, use a personal account. Don't use the account that is connected with your EDU account. So hopefully that helps. I've been using Soundtrap for 3 years, and I found that these are the ways that make it the easiest for me to manage students and to manage assignments.